AI, artificial intelligence. From Google to Microsoft to Nvidia to Apple, everybody is going crazy about AI. Everybody is focusing on AI. And if you believe that the future of technology is with crypto, is with blockchain tech, then definitely guys, you should not sleep on these AI plays that are still very undervalued and are just getting started. So in this episode guys, I will show you my best picks from the AI sector that you can hold for the longer term for this altcoin season, and why missing out on these plays could be the biggest reason of your regret for this cycle. So if this is the type of content you enjoy guys, then make sure that you drop a like and also smash the subscribe button. And now guys, let's get right into it.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
So guys, welcome back and thanks for joining me yet again. If you can read between the lines, you know how early you are in the AI sector. We are currently sitting right around here in 2025, alright, $7.92 billion. That is just the AI agents market size. It is expected to grow all the way to $236 billion by 2034. That is more than a 30x on the entire industry. And if you combine it with crypto gains and the volatility of the crypto markets, then you know that a 30x overall in the entire industry is going to be a 3,000 or even a 30,000x in crypto, right? So let's dive into the best plays that I believe are very undervalued at the moment in terms of AI sector in crypto. So guys, the first play is going to be Virtuals. Now this one is currently sitting at $1.22. I shared this call inside Kuroshi's private at 35 cents, and then it ran up all the way to $4.6 where I sold majority of my holdings, and then it plummeted towards the downside when the entire AI agents industry actually got a big hit because it was getting way too much out of hand. And then it went all the way to 50 cents. Now it is again sitting at $1.2 and price is consolidating in this falling wedge right around here. Eventually, you're going to see a breakout and eventually you're going to see much higher prices than the previous all-time high of $4.3. Virtuals protocol is basically the leader in terms of AI agents in crypto, right? And that is why I believe this is one of the biggest and the easiest bets right now. The team behind Virtuals is crazy good, and I believe that they are a project for multi-cycle hold. And that is why if you are going to hold it for multiple cycles, then you can go for 100x even from the current price point, sitting at $805 million market cap. Going to 100x is going to be around $80 billion, which is quite likely a possibility, guys. And then I would say, guys, if you're looking for just this cycle, then you're again looking at least a 10 to 20x from the current price point for Virtuals protocol. So definitely do not sleep on this one, guys. You hardly get these type of opportunities multiple times in your life where you can invest in a tech so early, right? Moving on to the next one, guys, we have Aether. Now this one is ATH and currently sitting at 0.035. This is a deep in play, I would say, but still I've added this into this video itself because I believe that all of these AI agents, all of the AI infrastructure that we are currently going to develop, we are going to need a lot of GPU power to operate all of these things, right? And that is where Aether comes in. This is the largest GPU network right now in crypto, and this is currently sitting at just $381 million market cap. If you compare it with other bigger players in terms of market cap, they still do not have the infrastructure that Aether has. And that is why this becomes a very key opportunity in my opinion. $381 million right now, and you can see we are just hovering around the lows. The lows are around 2.5 cents and we are currently sitting at 3.5 cents. So I think this region is a very good region to bid on Aether as well. You can look for an easy 10x in my opinion in this cycle itself for Aether. When Ethereum breaks past its all-time highs and the altcoin season really catches up, you're going to see massive moves on projects like these which are working, which are actually even generating revenue as well. So this is going to be one of the biggest picks in my opinion right now for the AI plus deep in category, and I would not be getting into anything else like Render or Akash, for example, right? I would be choosing just one, and that is Aether, and the ticker is ATH, all-time highs, right? Moving on to the next one, guys, we have Sahara AI. Now this one is currently sitting at a market cap of $174 million and the price of $0.08, right? Now these guys are very big. The company is huge. They sponsored the entire Token 2049 event last year in Singapore, and I was there. They also sponsored the Super AI event in Singapore last year itself. So I think these guys know how to market themselves, and they have just recently launched, which means that you are basically getting at the lowest price possible. You can see right around here, this is your accumulation zone in the red right around here below 0.097 and goes all the way to around 0.072. So currently we are sitting just in the middle of this range. I think this has a lot of potential, and you're looking at an easy 10x here. I would not be, crazy about the price predictions, but still I think it's an easy 10x from here onwards for 𝗖𝗢 AI. All right, moving on to the next one, guys, we have Grass, and this is a browser extension for a lot of people who are willing to share their bandwidth or the network speed, which is unused. All right. And this is how they are evolving really fast, and they are making insane revenue, guys. Insane revenue. I'm telling you, with a market cap of $163 million and the price of 67 cents, this is just so undervalued at the moment, and it's just not justified. Now, the price is not performing quite well. As you can see, we have been just plummeting towards the downside. So what I would suggest you guys is you can pick up a confirmation trade here. Once the price breaks past these lows right around here, which is around $1, that is when you can basically ape into Grass as well. That would be a confirmation and a reclamation trade, in my opinion. And I will be buying right here itself, because I like to buy the lows. I like to bid the lows when, everybody is so fearful about it. That is why I think Grass is also a very important pick, in my opinion, for the deepen or, the AI category that we are currently discussing, right? Moving on to the next play, guys, we have 𝗕𝗔𝗪𝗘𝗥𝗦. This is currently sitting at 6 cents and the market cap is just $58 million. And you can see the chart right around here. We are basically retesting these lows right around here. We have a crucial zone of support, I would say, around 0.048 to around 0.060. And then another one at around 0.074. So in between this range is a good region to bid, in my opinion, on 𝗕𝗔𝗪𝗘𝗥𝗦. This is a very good play, in my opinion. And these guys are also hustling way too much, and I've seen the team work. And this is another play which I think could be a hidden gem for this cycle when the altcoin season picks up, when, Ethereum breaks out, because this is on Ethereum, by the way. When that happens, you are going to see massive surge in the price of 𝗕𝗔𝗪𝗘𝗥𝗦 as well. As you can see right here, in the previous mini altcoin season that we have seen, this coin has always seen a tremendous growth. And eventually, because we have now taken down the lows right around here of August and September of last year, it means the more you pull back, the higher you go as well. All right. So that is what I'm basically looking at right now for 𝗕𝗔𝗪𝗘𝗥𝗦. All right. Moving on to the next one, guys. This is going to be a massive gem, in my opinion. It is OpenServe. Currently sitting at 7 cents, market cap of just $49 million. Fully diluted valuation of just $73 million, and the chart looks like this. All right. I think if there has to be another virtuals, then this is the one. All right. I'm calling it right now. Right now, I think the team is working tremendously to give you the best AI agent framework and also selective memory for AI agents. That is something that has not been seen before. And I think OpenServe is severely undervalued despite this price action that we have seen recently, coming all the way from around 0.013 to 0.073. This is really showing insane strength as well. When the market is just consolidating or is tanking towards the downside, this is going up. These are the kind of projects that you should not miss out on. All right. That is why I think this is one of those plays which I would not like to miss out on. And I have secured my bag in this region itself, right around here, around 0.03, I guess. And I'm already up 2x on this one. I think this can go much higher from here onwards, considering their contribution in the framework, which provides agents with selective memory, contextual understanding, and advanced reasoning and planning capabilities. This is all that we are going to need, guys. All right. You have to invest in the future. You have to look past the things that you are able to see right now. All right. And that is where I would say that OpenServe comes into play. This is a massive hidden gem, and this is pure alpha, guys. I could have just kept this one inside Kuroshi's private and not shared it with you all, because I have already shared it at like 30 cents inside Kuroshi's private. But I would say this is a hidden gem, in my opinion. And definitely, if you're looking for an AI play right now, which is undervalued at the moment, then definitely OpenServe is going to be one of those plays. Right now, guys, the final play for this episode is going to be Wayfinder. This is Prompt, and this is currently sitting at 12 cents, market cap of just $29 million. But there is a lot of dilution to come, which is why the FDV is currently sitting at $129 million. This is an omni-chain protocol enabling user-owned autonomous AI agents to securely and efficiently navigate across blockchain ecosystems and dApps while independently transacting assets you control via dedicated Web3 wallets. I think this is again something that you should pay attention to. You can take a breakout trade on this one, because I would not like to mention, guys, that you should be buying right around here when the price is just going towards the downside. Wait for a change of structure, a break of structure, and then you can basically get in on prompt as well. I think this is going to be a good play. Apart from that, guys, there are other plays, very tiny, low market cap plays, decent plays that I share around AI itself inside Karoshi's Private. So if you want that list, then definitely check out the link in the description section below, and I will see you inside Karoshi's Private, where you can also find my 5-coin altcoin portfolio, which is easy to manage and is going to outperform the rest of the market. If you want that, then definitely you can consider joining Karoshi's Private. This is where you can also form a strategy that can help you in this bull market to make the maximum gains, because I give you a complete strategy on how you have to allocate your funds into which kind of plays, and how much funds you should be using for trading, and how much funds you should be using for degen trades like on meme coins. And if you also want meme coin trades, then definitely all of that is given inside Karoshi's Private. And if you want to trade with us, the link is given in the description section below. Make sure that you check it out. All right. Apart from that, guys, that is all from this episode. And if you enjoyed watching it, make sure that you drop a like, and also smash that subscribe button and ring the bell notification icon so that you can be notified whenever I put up another update. That's all, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, keep hustling.
Never slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show